Hello gentlemen, hope you are doing good. Today in this video we are going to learn postulates of special theory of relativity.
So gentlemen, we have two postulates in a special theory of relativity. Number one, principle of relativity. Principle of relativity, which states that all the laws of physics are same in all inertial frame of references. Now let me give you an example of this. Like, suppose a man is flying in a plane having wings, and a man who is standing on the land. So the man who is flying in the plane, having crossed this position and reached this position, feel that the man is going backward, and at the same time the man who is standing on the ground feel that the plane is moving forward, and in both the cases all the laws of Newton are followed, and that's why in this principle of relativity we say all the laws of physics are same in all inertial frame of references. Now moving to the second postulate, this is principle of constancy. And it states that the speed of light in a vacuum has the same value in all inertial frame of references. This is the principle of constancy, and I know you know the speed of light, that is c equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So this is the principle of constancy. So gentlemen, this is all about this topic. Hope you understand this concept. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share among your friends. If you have any suggestion and want any separate topic to be discussed here, do comment below. In next video we will learn length contraction and time dilation. Thank you.